Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Leos. So let's see what are these cards, guys. First, if you want more clarity, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Pope of Stars in reverse, the Star in reverse, and Astrologer of Spheres. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you have a lot of dreams, goals, aspirations for yourself. You want things to unfold in a particular way. You are expecting certain things in your circumstance today. It may be in your relationship or it may be in your work situation. But maybe today, some people in your circumstance, maybe they are quite stubborn. Their stubbornness is causing a lot of difficulty, and you are confused. You don't know which way to go or what to do or how to make a proper decision today. You don't know which is the right thing or what is the right way to do. So some kind of a situation you are in, and there is someone in your circumstance. It may be a person who is older than you, your sibling or your mentor or a friend who has true concern on you, but this person is really dominating you, guys, and they are trying to control you in every possible way, and you don't know how to prevent it or how to avoid them. So, and maybe the few things they are saying to you or telling you, you are unable to follow it, or you are decide on those lines. So some kind of confusion, stress, and you don't know which way to go or what is the right thing to do today for you, guys, Leos. And in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you, you may see some delays in your work, some kind of an obstruction, maybe in your projects or any whatever work related decisions. You may not see things unfolding in the expected timeline. So some kind of difficulties because of that, and you may even be disappointed in a few things, maybe in this with this person, in this relationship. You expected certain things, but this person is not that, maybe. So some kind of disappointments because of that, guys. Maybe your expectations are not coming true, guys, Leos, and maybe it is a time you wait for some more time to see things more clearly. Today you are feeling a lot of confusion because there are people giving you a wrong kind of guidance, who are dominating you, so you do not see things clearly, Leos. So if you are making some important decisions, Leos, you need to wait. That is what I see, guys. And also maybe you will see a change in your situation if you have that determination, if you are strong hearted, strong willed, determined. You are going to see huge changes in your circumstance, guys, Leos. You may be in a tight spot, you don't know which way to go, some confusions, but if you have that determination to do the right thing, you are going to see success today, guys. That is what I see, guys. Leos, let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have completed world in reverse. So with this card, guys, it just means that, just like we saw with the previous card, some kind of delay, suspensions, feeling stuck, unable to decide. So maybe even in this relationship, maybe this person is not being responsible like you. That may be the reason for failure or some kind of misunderstanding that you see in this connection, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's 4 of stars. So with this card in your work situation, guys, Leos, maybe for some of you, you are still thinking, planning your next move, waiting for the appropriate time to unfold in your work situation. So if you, just like I said, if you are in the verge of making some important decisions, this may not be the right time, guys. You need to wait for some more time, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are in a particular circumstance, trying to change yourself, making a huge sacrifice, maybe for someone you love, and you are not listening to your inner voice. Maybe you are doing something which you love to do, but at what cost? It is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of troubles. You are not happy with the changes you are making for this person or for this circumstance, but still you are doing it. You are thinking maybe only by doing this sacrifice you are going to show your love to that other person. But you can show your love to that other person, maybe your true concern to the other person, but at what cost? That is what is the question here, guys. So something which you cannot change or which you cannot do, there is a limit for anything and everything. So that is the meaning with this card. So you are making some sacrifice that is really painful, that is like simply giving up your own voice or your heart's desire. So you are changing everything for this person you love or for this circumstance, and in the long run it is not going to make you happy. So this sacrifice should be made with happiness, but if it is not made happily, then it is surely going to give you a lot of pain in the future, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to realize that the love which you feel you cannot work out, it's better you can be away from that love instead of doing impossible things to keep it, impossible things to have that love. So you need to understand that, guys, and you need to be aware of relationship which demands a huge sacrifice. Is it really worth it? So you need to take a take a important decision today. You need to see whether you need to sacrifice so much for this love. So it is all in your hands now, guys. Maybe if you feel it is worth it, you can go ahead. If it is not, you have to think twice, guys, before making the next move in this relationship for this love. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, guys. And this card stands for healing, guys. Healing at all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So this angel ensures safety in our travels and guiding us and assisting us in our day-to-day life and helping us to choose a healthy lifestyle for ourselves. Maybe if you are interested in meditation, you can take it up, guys. It is going to help you a lot. Or if you are planning to do some changes in your routine, maybe taking up a healthy habit like exercising or dieting, something which is a health oriented habit, you can do it. And also you need to heal even at the mental level. So whatever stress you are having, you are the one who can heal yourself. So this angel is assisting you in that. So if you need physical healing, you can go ahead. If you need emotional healing, you need to take the first step towards healing, guys. So that is what this card is about. And this angel is here guiding us towards our spiritual and physical growth. So that is the energy with this card. So you are already in the path of healing, maybe from the past relationship or from whatever stress you are having, or maybe some physical healing. Maybe you are recovering from some kind of an illness, or you are in some kind of illness and you are on the path to recovery. So that is the reading with this card. So this angel's guidance will help us, assist us in a healthy, happy lifestyle free of stress, and it is going to heal us in all levels, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all, guys, with both the cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.